We will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Head in the blue, we're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today.
All right, everybody, and once again, we're here at the Solvang Custom Knife show here, and we're talking to Eugene Shadley. So tell us about yourself, Eugene.
Hello, my name is Eugene Shadley. I started making knives for a living in 1988. I make mostly traditional folders. It's a very rewarding job. I like to do it just because I like to make things. And my work is known all over the world. I'm past president of the Knife Makers Guild, which is an international organization. And a wonderful group of people here, and I'm glad to be associated with all these very, very talented people.
So let's take a look at these wonderful traditional knives. So what can you tell us about these knives here?
These two knives are similar. They're Stockman pattern, they're called, a stag handle material. This is a doctor's knife. It has a flat end on it for breaking up different materials for making medicine.
So it's like, what are those, like a mortar and pestle?
Yeah, basically.
Like a pestle.
Some of them actually have a spatula blade, which uses a tongue depressor or to mix medicine before they learned about communicable diseases.
And look at that beautiful engraving. That is fantastic. Now these, let me pinch this up a little bit. Now these look really unique.
They're actually coachman's knives or horseman's knives. I started working on these 2 weeks ago, and this is what I got to work from. So I had to make all the patterns from scratch.
Now how old is that?
This was probably made maybe around turn of the century or so.
Boy. So what is this?
That is, it's basically a screw. I think I've come to the conclusion, unless I'm wrong, that this is probably a lady's horseman's knife, and that is a screw to remove corks for perfume bottles.
How'd you know about that?
Back in the day, they didn't have regular screw-on lids, so my guess is that's what it's for. It's very diminutive.
And what is this about?
This is a hoof pick for cleaning horses' hooves.
So that's to clean out a horse's hoof. Well, that is amazing. I've never seen anything as unique as that before. Really great.
It was a fun project from beginning to end. I like complicated things and trying to figure out how things work.
Well, now tell us how to get a hold of you.
The best way to get a hold of me is from my home phone number. Well, actually my cell phone number, 218-398-3772. I also have an Instagram account, which is Shadley, SHADLEY_knives. And I post quite a bit of stuff on there. And I make lots of them.
And if you guys are interested, please look into this because these knives, I've never seen them before.
Yeah.
They're very unique.
Thank you very much.
All right, Eugene, thank you so much and have a nice day.
Thank you for your time, sir.
We will to parachute.